Welcome back, children. I hope all your books are ready with you. Maths classwork, maths homework, maths textbook. Okay? Today we are going to start writing in the notebooks. Okay? Now, in your maths classwork book, I want you to hold the book vertically. Hold the book vertically. Okay, and you will keep holding the book vertically, that is in the standing position, till I tell you to. Every day you will hold the book like this only. Is it clear? And when to hold the book straight, that also I will tell you. Is it clear? Open your maths classwork books and your maths textbook, this book of yours. Keep your writing material also ready. Okay. Should we get started? Now children, the other day I had explained to you about tens and hundreds, right? 10 tens make 100 and 10 units make 1 tens, right? I hope you remember that. I showed you with the ice cream sticks and a small bag, and I put 10 bundles of 10 tens in that bag. In the same way, in your textbook, they have shown pictures of crayons. Look into your books, children, where the box is and H is written on the box. In that box, they are showing you that there are 100 crayons in that box. Right? So, one box means 100. Two boxes will mean 200. Is it clear? But here in this picture, everywhere they have shown only one box, which is 100. Only the extra number of crayons which are out of the box are changing. Okay? So, this extra crayons that are outside the box, you need to count them, and here in the block, you have to write the numbers in words. You have to write the numbers in words. Okay? So, the first two are done for you. The third one, there is a box which has got 100 crayons, and outside that there are 3 more crayons. So, it is 103. So, there in the box, down in the corner, the last box, you will write 102. Now children, for your convenience, instead of writing 102, I will request you to write 100 and how many are extra crayons there? 3. Okay. Why am I asking you to write 100 and I am not asking you to write 100? See, further when we move on, this will change. Okay? If I tell you to write 103, next if the number of hundreds changes, it becomes 3. You are bound to make a mistake of writing 300 and whatever. So, from the beginning, do not write 100, write 100 and whatever, 200 and whatever is given to you. Is it clear? Now, in the same way, you will have to write the other numbers. So, there is one box of 100 crayons, that means 100. And how many are extra? 4 crayons are extra. So, it becomes 104. Is it clear? Now, till 104 you are writing here. The rest you are doing it for homework. Is it clear? Because why I am not going into details, because this is what you have done earlier. Put today's date here and do this for homework. Write today's date and write HW. Let's move on to the next page. Okay. In this next page, they have told us it is an introduction of 3-digit numbers. Yes, 3-digit numbers. These are also 3-digit numbers. 103. This is also a 3-digit number, right? But now we will be doing numbers where there is a number in the tens place also. Is it clear? There is a number in the tens place also. So, if you see in the book, in your textbook itself, the bag that is given. If you see the bag, if you see a bag which is there, that bag indicates 100. It is like the same bag that I showed you. Okay? Now, I had shown you ice cream sticks which represented 10. 10 sticks I had put together. But here, they are showing you triangles which is representing the tens part of it, and the dot is representing the unit part of it, right? So wherever there is a bag, it is 100. Wherever there is a triangle, it is a tens, and wherever there are dots, it is a unit. Okay, how many dots are there? That many units. That number you will write there. Okay, see, the first and the second one is done for you. Right? Now we are going to do the next numbers. Okay, you are going to do it along with me. Again, on top here, put today's date and write CW. Put today's date and write CW. Now, let's move on to sum number 3. As the first two sums are already done for you. Now, can you tell me how many bags are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many bags are there? 4. How many triangles are there? 3. And how many dots are there? 1. What is the number? 431. Now you are going to write the spelling of this number. 400. Remember, look at the spelling of 100 properly. Don't spell it wrong. HUNDRED. 100. Write the spelling and say it. Say it as you are writing. HUNDRED. 100. So your number is 431. Let's go to the next sum. How many bags are there? Count the bags, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. And how many triangles are there? 4. How many dots are there? 2. What is the number? 700. 700 and what is the number? 742. 742. Now do the next one. See, children, the next sum is a little confusing for you. Okay, they are trying to confuse you. They have put the dots first, but to count, you will count the dots last. First, you will count only the bags. So count the number of bags with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 bags. Are there any triangles here? No. 0 triangles. And how many dots are there? Count the dots now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. What is the number? 808. 808. Yes? See the spelling of 100. Children, don't write wrong spellings, please. Next, now here they have put the triangles on top. So are we going to write the triangles first? No. We are going to write the bags first. So count the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Now what is the number? 585. The number is 585. Got it? The next sum, the triangles are in two different places, but when you count all the triangles together. So what is the number of bags there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what is your number? Your number is 499. What is the number? 499. Children, spelling of 90. Don't write it as ninety. The spelling is 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. You don't say ninety. Do you say ninety? No, you say 90. So spell 9 and then add the ty to it to make it 90. Now the last one. How many bags are there? 1. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Any dots? No. So what is your answer here? 119. So in your books, 190. Not ninety. Don't write it as ninety. It is 90. Have you understood? Okay. Now you will open up your Maths CW. Take out your Maths CW. Take out Maths CW. Hold the book vertically. Hold the book vertically. Is it clear? Hold the book vertically. Put today's date. On the very first line above the margin, write number, work. Yes? What do I mean by this? Leave a line. Whenever I draw a line after a particular thing, I mean leave a line. If I put a dot, it means leave a box or leave a block. You are using a square line book, right? Now, leave a line after writing that. Write in words. What are we doing? Write in words. Now, I will be giving you some numbers where I want you to write the numbers in words. Okay? Leave a line after this. leave a block here next to the margin. Draw the margin, children. If this is your square line book, see, this is your square line book, right? The second square you draw a line. The second square you draw a line, that will be your margin. Okay? Now, write HTU. Again leave a line. Again leave a line. Write 1 in the margin. One number in each block. H, under H you will write 7, under T you will write 2, under U you will write 4. Is it clear? So how will you write this spelling? 700 and 20. Now listen, children, if there is no place to write, I want you to continue here. Is it clear? Don't be in a hurry to put up things together and fit it in one line. The whole book is yours. You can use the book as you want. So, don't make a haste in writing the number there or fitting it up in one line. You can use the second line also. Is it clear? Now, once you have written this number here, what you are going to do is, after this you will leave a line. After writing 4, you are leaving a line. Write 2 in the margin. Again, you are leaving a block here. See, you are leaving a block. What is the number? 600. 693. 93. Don't be under the thing that 6 has to fit in one box. No, not necessary. 100 is such a big spelling, it will not fit in one box. So write it so that it is neat and clear for you to understand. Okay? Leave a line after this. Leave a block. What is the spelling? What is the number? Read it. 944. Here again, you are all bound to make the mistake of the spelling 40. It is not 40. Do we say it is 40 as we say 90? 90 we say. So we are writing N-I-N-E, 9 and T-Y. But when we are writing 40, do we say 40? No, we say 40. For F-O-R and T-Y. We don't write it as F-O-U-R-T-Y. You write that and you get it wrong. So be careful in writing these spellings. 900 and 40. It is not 40. 44. Got it? Done till here? Leave a line after this. Write number 4. Leave a block. What is the number? 868. 800 and 68. Got it? 868. I hope you all have copied this. Yes? If you have not finished copying with it, you can pause the video and finish your work. Clear? Now let's move on to your homework books. Take out your maths homework book. The second book that you have got is your maths homework book. Is your maths homework book. Write that same heading in the maths homework book. You write it in the same way as you wrote it in the classwork book. I am going to give you the numbers and you are going to write it on your own for your homework. Children, don't think that I am not there in front of you or you are not coming to school, so I will not ask for your notebooks. Anytime I will ask you for your notebooks and you will have to come and give me the notebooks. Is it clear? Maintain the notebooks. You are going to get marks for book checking, as you know. So keep your books neat and tidy and see that you do your homework. Don't keep homework pending. Is it clear? So, same way we are going to write it in the maths homework book. Homework book also you are going to hold it vertically. Come on, write these and you are going to write it down for your homework and you are going to do the homework. Is it clear? Have you all written this? See that you complete your homework today itself. Now, copy down all the numbers. Okay, so now let's move on to the next. After you have done writing down in words, you have also done write in figures. It is not there in the textbook, but I want you to do it. You should be able to write the number name also of the given number, plus after reading the number name, you should be able to write the number also. Now listen children, again your classwork books. Put today's date. Don't write lesson number 2 number work. Don't write that. On the very first line, write in figures. Okay? Write in figures. In line with this, on the last three blocks of your textbook, of your notebook, sorry, you will write HTU. Is it clear? Your number that you are spelling has to finish it here. Look carefully how I am writing it. Now, if I go on writing here, it will reach in that where I have written HTU. So, I want you to write below this. Right? So, what is the number that I have written? 467. What is the number that I have written? 400. So, how many hundreds are there? Write equal to sign. How many hundreds? 4. And how many tens? 6. 60 means 6 tens and 7. This is your answer. Got it? 467. Leave a line after this. Next, leave a block. Nothing I am going to write, only 300. Then what will you? There is nothing in the tens place, nothing in the units place. Straight away put an equal to. The equal to sign has to come below this. Don't put it here and write it anyway, because your HTU is written there. Got it? It has to be so neat. Now I want you to do this on your own. Do it. Don't wait for me to write the answer for you. $709. So you are writing it as 709. There is nothing in the tens place. 709. 0 tens. 510. Got it? So we have finished with writing in words and writing in figures. Copy this neatly in your classwork book, and next time when you are coming for your class, be ready with your textbook, classwork book, homework book and your writing material. Okay, that's all for now. Have a good day and study well and stay safe. Thank you.